Apparently you're supposed to do a lot of fossil digging here.
Fossil digging?
Yeah, at the bottom of the falls.
Oh, I thought it was Canada.
The boardwalk.
Pretty cool. Can we go around or can we go?
There you go down. I don't think the waterfall is really falling.
No, I've never known.
The water is not falling in the waterfall.
I wonder where the water was coming from that I heard. I thought it was like this little thing.
Little creek.
Dropping, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. It is a slippery.
Wow. So now I see it.
Hear it?
Yeah. It's so weird when you can hear it, but
Yeah.
you can't see it. It's like that little,
This whole waterfall is just that little tiny little.
and then that little thing there. That's what I saw before.
Oh, it's like a tree.
Yeah, it's kind of.
You know, in the summertime, people are like you can walk behind the waterfalls a little bit.
Oh,
There
yeah.
are pools over there. All the kids are playing.
Oh, that's cool. It reminds me of I went on a walk in Wales. It was a bigger waterfall though, and we went kind of underneath it too. That's pretty cool.
And when we came here, we yeah. So the trail crosses the creek again, and we walked maybe a kilometer through all those stones in the creek and everything.
Oh yeah.
Kids did not care for that.
Yeah, I was gonna say how they like that.
We had to go bare feet. We left all our shoes and everything at the other side, and there's a couple slip and falls.
Well, I mean, he cries from Grayson.
Well, I had to carry him
Oh.
while walking across all this stuff.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. You can see it like moving under the ice. A little bit different, I guess.
That's fun. It's a lot nicer in the summertime.
Yeah.
A lot busier though.
I don't even know. Where was the pool? Is it at that Lions, whatever?
Oh, so it's part of the campground, I think.
Oh.